Yeah, it is. Better than the carpet at my house. Here's some Frigidaire air conditioners. These look to be about 6,000. They're both on Energy Saver. That one's off. Tripped the breaker. There's another one over there. These are alright. These are pretty good. Getting this house restored. Yeah, these are pretty good. This house is actually, it's actually a trailer, but these actually make it pretty cool in here. I'd say it's about 85, almost 90 degrees outside, and it's actually a pretty comfortable temperature in here. So we just have a couple 6,000s in here. You know, they work pretty good. This isn't my place, they're not my units, but overall they're kind of making my opinion of them a little higher. Here's the outside of the one in the kitchen. Can't tell what type that is. Oh, it's a GMCC compressor. It is draining. This unit has seen better days. Did you mess up already?